And I was told that if you are good at these two things, you should take mechanical or civil engineering, which is not at all true. And like people who are good at physics should probably choose mechanical engineering, not at drawing. You actually genuinely want to be a good mechanical engineer, start participating in the different teams that your college probably already has. Don't really need any certificates. College name actually helps a lot in that case. But if you want to diversify a bit, like suppose you want to go into supply chain management that are not mainstream mechanical engineer, those kind of things you need certificate. Our mechanical class was unhinged. From the first 2-3 months itself, we were known to be the worst class in DJ Sangeet. You generally don't get exposure at all during your college to this software, but if you are able to do a certification on that before getting out of college, you will be crazy in demand. I got a very good exposure to higher management, upper management, not just in my company but in the client's company as well. So convince them that instead of you not liking it, you should be convincing them that you actually shouldn't be giving me this work. Supply chain is very common sense driven.